Yeah, welcome back to this wonderful course on Amazon KDP publishing. How you can publish book on Amazon and earn in dollars. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Amazon KDP account for free. How you can get your Amazon KDP for free. I'm going to show you in this video. So all you have to do is go to your Chrome browser. And if you love using Chrome browser, you can use any browser, but I use Chrome browser. Just go to your search bar, then put kdp.amazon.com and click on it. So it's going to take you to your Amazon page where you get to open an account. So this is how the Amazon KDP interface looks like. If you have an account on Amazon, you don't need to open a new account, because if you open a new account and Amazon knows that they detect that only one person has two accounts, they will ban your account and you can't open another one unless you use another person's details or you change your details before you can open the new Amazon account. If you already have an account, just sign in. You don't need to sign up. But if you don't have an account on Amazon before, just come to this sign up and create an account for yourself. It's totally free. You don't need to pay for anything. So this is it will bring you to this page where it says sign in with your Amazon login. But you don't have any Amazon login, so you scroll down, just scroll down, then come to this create your KDP account and click on it. So to take you to where you register for your Amazon KDP. So it's asking me for my first name and last name. I'll just input my name. So my name is Okay Ismail, but I'm using this name just to open a new account to show you how you can open a new account on Amazon. I already have an account, but I don't want to use it. I'm creating a new one because of this training. So this is the name I'm going to use for this training. So I'm going to use this. So I'm inputting my email address. I'm sure you have an email address. Please make sure you input an email address that you have access to, because Amazon will send you some links to verify if you are a robot or a human being. But if you don't have access to that email address and you input it there, you won't see the message. Make sure you input the correct details, input it. This is a real business, it's not a scam. So if you want to input anything, just make sure you input your correct details. Sorry, make sure you input your correct details so that Amazon can send you a link. So after inputting, just click on create your account and boom, you see an OTP has been sent to that email address. So I'll just go over to my email address and check it. So this is my email address. So this is it. Amazon is telling me to verify my email address. They want to confirm if I'm a robot or a human being. So this is the link. You just copy the link, and I'll go back to Amazon KDP. When I input the link back, this is it. Then create your Amazon account browser, and your account will be created. So this is just the terms and condition. Just go through all these terms and condition, go to it, read everything, make sure you understand everything there, then click on agree. So boom, you already have an account on Amazon. This is what it will bring out for you. So this is your dashboard on Amazon KDP. This is your dashboard with Amazon KDP. So it's telling you to, in order for you to publish a book, you need to complete this. So you need to update your account. So click on update, click on update, click on update. Amazon will ask for your phone number, so I will input my phone number. Yeah, let me put my country, Nigeria. Then you put your phone number here, so Amazon can send OTP to you. So Amazon will send OTP to my phone, which is right here with me, and I will use it. So you can see the reason why I said you should input your correct details. As you know, I input another details here and they send the OTP, I won't have access to it. So that's why I say you should input your correct details. So that's the OTP. Then click on continue. So that's it. Nobody can get into my account without me being notified. So Amazon will notify me when there is someone trying to log into my account. So I'm just going to update my account details. So which country or region do you live in? Then enter the information to help us determine how to send your payment. So this right here, I'll click on individual, then date of birth. Let me put date of birth there. Let me put date of birth. Let me see if it's okay. Let me put 1993, 1993 March, and March 19. I'm just inputting. I'm just putting some Nigeria. I'm just putting those figures here. This account is just for tutorial sake. This is not my real account, so I'm just inputting those. I'm trying to show you how you can do this. So your legal name, let me just put Lawale. Okay. Let me change it 0 to capital letter. Yeah. Address. Let me put Lagos State. Then city. Then Badagry, Lagos State. City. Badagry, State, Lagos. Then they're asking for postal code. So if you don't know your country, your state postal code, just click a new browser, then type your state, then click postal code. It will bring it for you. Then you can just pick any one you like and input it there. So this is one of it. 10001. Let me put down. So this is the postal code I'm going to use. My phone. Let me put the one I did before. Make sure all you are putting here is your correct information. Because Amazon will want to send you some messages, and if you are inputting wrong information into that place, Amazon will not be able to get in contact with you, and when it is like that, your account might be banned that you are a robot. So this is it. Then tell us about your bank. Where is your bank? I don't have a bank account. let me put I don't have a bank account here for I don't have a bank account. Then let me complete the task function. About the bank account, bank account, I will show you how you can get paid, because if you want to get paid using Amazon, you need to have a bank account, a US bank account or pounds bank account. I will show you how you can get paid without without having a US bank account. How you can create how you can create a bank account in US without leaving your house on your system or your phone. It is very easy and straightforward. How you can have a US bank account, a dollar bank account or pounds, anyone you like, on your phone or your system without leaving anywhere you like. This is where I need to put my tax information. You have to put it for you to move to the next stage. I don't know why this network is slow. Let me pause the video and to avoid let me pause it. So my network has finally been resolved. So this is your tax information interview. They will ask you some questions about you and you need to answer those questions. Just tick what I want to tick here and you are good to go. Here, just leave it on individual. Are you a US citizen? You are not a US citizen, so click on no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person? That is no. We click on no. Then your full name is already there. Country of citizenship. So which country are you from? You select the country you are from, which is Nigeria. You click on it. So your address, it has already been put. So this is where you need to pay serious attention. They're asking for your TIN number, taxpayer identity, and you don't have a US tax identity number, and this one has already been ticked. All you have to do is just untick this and tick it. Then come here. You don't have if no tin is provided, any reduction of the withholding tax with this, why are you not able to provide a tin? So they are asking you why you don't have a tin. The country does not issue tin to you. I have not applied. I could not, and because let me click on the last. So click on the last, then you come down, you scroll down and click on continue. Scroll down, click on continue, then scroll down. It has already been ticked. You need to sign this form and submit. Then click on this, and you come here, type in your full name. You type in your full name. The date is here, then save and preview it. Just follow the step. It is very easy. Just follow the step, then you scroll down. You can read all those stuff, but just all this last stuff. Then you submit the form. Then you receive the interview. So your interview has already been received and validated. So you don't have any problem with that tax identity clearance. About this bank, we still come back here to add a bank account after I've shown you after I show you how you can create a bank account in the US without leaving your house. So click on save. You come back to the bank later, click on save, and that is all. You are good to go. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can create a bank account to collect or receive your payment on Amazon. Just see you in the next video. Make sure before you watch the next video, make sure you've already gone through this process. Implement what you watched. Create You have one task: create an account on Amazon KDP, then do your task interview. After you've done that, then you should proceed to the next video, which is how you can create a US bank account on your system or phone. So see you in the next video.